appreciated that for whatever reasons, legal and illegal, depending on what will be found by the High Court when those issues are explored. The state saw it fit to succumb, for better word, to some pressure either from Lennon or other forces by doing what it did 4 years later. But on the specific issue of the arrestation, I must say that maybe in favor of the state, that particularly given my own interactions for the past 10 days or so with the investigating officer, Colonel Nazo, and then subsequently my learned friend, as a worshipper remarked, the attitude of the professional, the method of professional. So without put words into the mouth of my learned friend, I would assume that the issue of the arrest per se was really for procedural and technical purposes. And for what it's worth, I was present throughout the procedures, even the fingerprinting procedures. And there was really, it was a matter of, in fact, our terminology was that it's processing. But I suppose to be technically correct, one would say that it was an arrest. And as indicated by my learned friend, the accused cooperated throughout that. So we really don't take much issue with that. As far as that is concerned, that was not a particularly onerous provision. But I must qualify that question. That is not to say that you are not seriously, that the accused is not seriously aggrieved. I also hold the strong view that the charges are malicious and politically motivated. They are aimed at settling political scores with my father by the current regime. Evidence in this regard will be led during the trial. Suffice at this stage that I am confident that a case of malicious prosecution will be well and easily established against the National Prosecuting Authority at the appropriate stage. I have instructed my legal representatives to pursue that action. 9. It is plainly nonsensical and petty to interpret words which are used, such as, quote, I see you, unquote, to mean that the people referred to or were influenced by my social media commentary. The mere fact that it has taken the state almost 4 years to work out whether a small number of social media messages constitute, quote, terrorism, unquote, speaks for itself and is an indication that the NPA is clutching at straws with a very weak